What's up, guys? Your boy Guess, and I'm here with.
Okay, Hannah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Yeah. So today, we are reacting to Master H.
Give me the phone.
Give me
the fit.
Give me the phone. Yeah.
I mean,
so say, but in this way,
Zvanga zvatozara paTikTok. Lungoskola. Give me
intro.
the phone. Give me the fit.
It was just an intro song. Yeah, Kae Chaps, pressure. Amungozia and the four. Challenge and out so it is society.
I don't know how it's aligning with pressure.
Pressure. I don't know.
Number one trending.
Oh yeah, like what we said last time. I think we talked about Master HQT. So you see, Arubisa. This and there dancing, my performance. I got it. I like the consistency. I don't drop. Of which I don't want to surprise a 40 for December, but it is what it is. Yeah, he's working. He's working. So let's get straight into the song. Like and subscribe, members, vibes.
Link in the description. Also, link in the description.
In the description.
And name note has the link down below. Yes, sir.
So let's get straight into it. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Give me the fan. Four. It's gotta be a lot in. Ganga nikataka pinda nepakaoma vamwe vachiti mchaona asi tiri kufara chaizvo vamwe vakambofambisa makuwa vachitoti tichasuwa asi tiri kungofara chaizvo zuva rinondipa motivation pandinomuka mangwanani nichiona sunshine need don't break give thanks to the most high before me open up my eyes but ndimi muri kufaka pressure tiri kuvapa pressure tiri kuvapa
I thought the guy was Mdiki. What's going on? What does he do?
Okay. Saka ndo pane
pressure yacho. Yeah.
Social media.
Exactly. Because wanna the view.
Okay.
IG.
Yeah.
The sky is not the limit.
Yeah, that's the yangu ya nema pani. Aiwa dance yangu.
Crazy, huh?
Dance yangu.
Crazy.
Alright.
Nduparuva pressure.
Alright.
Uzona toro hashtag London. Tukienda London. Okay. Pressure.
Ngorwana my mind came.
Zvakaoma.
Need don't break give thanks to the most high before me open up my eyes but ndimi muri kufaka pressure tiri kuvapa pressure nezita rajesu inotadza nengbambi yakageza tiri kuvapa pressure nezita rajesu inotadza nengbambi yakageza dandisina pilo time taka izatiri parege ndiri mukeba zangu ndine shena puda bedu tiri airi ndina chenche all the ladies vatimisa hanzi makajena mwari asiwe pa10 pako I told you kuti 2024 imeda nasi ndini zveka HR
Kae Chaps.
Personally,
Kae Chaps.
I will say it. I'm ready for Kae Chaps 2024 album.
Oh, shit. He's dropping this year.
I'll drop an album.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, but he...
I'm ready.
But he akazvitaura in the beginning of 2024.
Because I'm ready song. Because he... But I don't drop it. This year?
I know, Anna.
My fixed are disoriented.
I even comment section got some note please. I think Kae Chaps are not drop album. Let's be honest. Oh, but
no, but Mira.
But I got to drop album. But I don't know
I do more research. Now Twitter fact check.
Okay, let's do this.
If it's not you, it's me. I'm not sure that's the last.
That's the last album.
Right.
You see?
Yeah, that was 2022, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, 2022. But this year, in the beginning of this year, I got a drop album. That's what he said.
And one wakanyatsoteerera Kae Chaps' Mawanga album. If it's not you, if it's not me, it's you.
It's you.
Album. Personally, I'm ready.
He's talented.
Inini zvangu chamubuditsira Spotify rap yangu this year.
Okay, anonga aripo.
Anonga aripo mukoma. Nakaranda
Okay.
tota anonga aripo.
Okay.
Pamwe number anonga aripo top 5 aripo.
Anonga arimo.
Because mukoma aramuzvimanya this year.
Because my feature is is killing.
Once what buy at this year now good that he made. Shout out to Professor X.
Okay. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Amara. Professor X.
Shout out to Professor X.
Okay.
I was
New cut.
Yes.
Yeah, I got some.
Go, I told you kuti 2024 imeda nasi ndinizveka echara zvandaya changobva kana basa ndapedza enda nditerere one matifangu esa ndikendenge cause ndakapruvwa kutestwa hapana kumecha kana uchida pecha ndouya ndopasa iswe ndiri kuvapa presha nezita rajesu inotadza nengwambi yakageza ndiri kuvapa presha ndiri kuvapa.
You see the pressure.
But 10 time kawana anotipa pressure wahaya zvino.
And
Wanotipa pressure wahaya zvino. Vanhu vanohaya mota. Wobudisa mapicture wotipa pressure.
iyi mota yasiwa pakawa zvike. Then ungomana bva nayo.
Vanohaya here.
Yeah.
No pressure yatovachipiwa pasocial media. Paipai social media is not real. Ndozvinoazvitaura izvo.
Yeah. I think when I write a statement on social media is killing people. That's true.
It's factual. It's factual because you.
Because you are me, okay. So yeah, it's okay.
Views do not equal real life, guys. Views, let me not say views do not equal. Views do not equal man.
Okay. Yeah.
Views do not equal man.
Money, okay.
Because one wants out 1 million views offered. Maybe $1 million.
Okay, but no, that's not true.
No.
As Shande Shidaro.
No.
Of course, the wanagawana nofungoti it's $1 million, but it's not.
Because yeah.
But anyways, hey, it is what it is.
As you go if you are a social media person,
you know this.
Otherwise delete Instagram and TikTok.
TikTok.
By pressure. I know what it my road trip visit day in the life.
Nyanga, day in the life, Nyanga, day in the life in Big Falls. Tudi, ni pressure.
Unanongaendeswa nevabereki. Anongaenda nevabereki zvavo family trip.
Uvatanga kukata akuedita the footage akukata kevabereki angozivisa iye especially iye kuzvitora uri papassenger seat. The driver atomboonike. Is what it is, guys. I mean, pressure.
Nestara Jesu inotadza nengwambi yakageza ndiri kushandisa mchero maaccounts ari well up no stress status yachinja Aladdin mangataka bosh pari kushanda kesha kupisa kweteles takatono esha kudipisa pane kesh mauro kupresha kusprinta se highest maritaka kesha.
But Mira, my face knows it is also Mira.
Pachi.
Is it near pressure? Because why are you buying Bele, which is all the Uru entire suit? Uru renda more.
But do you know like pane chimwe chakambobuda chinzi pane face akahaya because hanzi pane skill yekuti unopinda muclub ka haya bhoto aurivhure.
But why?
Pressure. But kana uzotenga bele uchipinda mukombe. That's so wrong.
But no, it's the same situation and I told her last time kuti haungazopinde iPhone 16 uri mukombe.
Yeah.
Don't make sense.
It doesn't make any sense. Even it doesn't. Because nemari
chiro wakati ndakatengero
still
itawo plan tengesa itawo geva tengesa ospina mari yako otenga
ufiti but kufunga kwato kufunga kwako kuti ungaita sika nazo said unotengesa kuti keep it
ndrangu ndaka makandidonetawo neiphone 16 enhasi guys
notengesa
kungotaurawo kwangu mafungiro wangu guys mugona ngondoona ndamota ine wiki
waiziva chako mwina neiphone 16 inobva kuti ndotoda mota no need to swap and talk because this price ndiyo
hanzi kune mota dzema900 ndakaona imwe patiktok mota ye900
yaita semota
inonga yakasheka but
900 but you never know dzine pamwe dziriko in fact dzitoriko kwetoti pamwe dziriko
mota ine stress okufuti but
zito zvaririsi but inobatsira zvayo yeah
Levels Production.
but dzimwe pressure guys aiwa guys
hazvizodandi
aiwa hazvizodi kuti renda wosuti unotenga belemba unopinda vip hazvizodi guys aiwa
that's not it
mabhebha acho naatombouye nemi futi anobva abaya neimwe mbingawo musadaro guys musadaro guys
kazhinji vana vasikana anonge watoplana kutoti iyi plani ikazodhaka vakazodai so
pane imwe tiktok yandakaona imwe bhebha yaitoti so my budget for bawa something easy such amount of dollars and in comment section zvotonzi you actually go with money kubawa
okay
zvitonzi
neamwe
ungatoti haindoina ndakadaro handishaya anonditengera
variko
as guys obviously makutorohwo nepressure maoda kutongotenga pasina
obvious one day muchazosangana nemagefu ekuti unoregedza kutakura mari ubva ungusiwe ikoko unokafamba pinda peace but yeah shout out to you Master H Kae Chaps. I think that's it for the reaction video guys.
Yes, sir.
Comment down below what you think. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.